Okay. Hi guys. We are going to introduce you double lining, which is one can adapter, which one you can use for headphone and one you can use for headphone and one you can use for USB charging, like lighting charging. So we have a sign which one you can use for headphone, which one you can use for charger. Okay, let's try this one. I'm charging my phone. I don't have enough battery. Okay, we plug in the cable and then you can see there is a fancy light on it, a blue fancy light on it. It's very nice. While ago I introduced to you another one which was lighting to 3.5 mm, and this is a double lighting, like for we can 1 and 8 and 10 we can use that one. So we plug in the hand-free cable. This is the hand-free and this is the hand-free sign. So we plug the hand-free one. It's a little bit tight, so don't worry about it. It's gonna lose, it's quite tight. So no need to worry about it. Because when I plug in, you guys can see, when I plug in, it's not easy that. Okay, let's try this one. Let me play the music first. Let's play some music. All right, here we go. So it's not charging. Since when I plug in, you can see it's charging and the music will come to the hand-free, hand-free here. We got the hand-free too. Because you guys can see it's charging and hand-free and charging. Okay, so you guys can hear, I can hear it very loud. So let's try the remote, uh, whether the remote is working or not. So we can try here. Yeah, for this one we can use the remote as well. You guys can see we can adjust the volume up and down. It's properly very loud and we can stop and play. Let's change whether we can change to another song or not. We can change. We can change to another song. You guys can see. Watch it here. You can see. You can change to another song as well. So it's very nice. But we try. Let's try with the voice. So let me try with the voice of this. I don't know what's wrong with my phone. Okay, here we go. We try with the mic. Hello, 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 hello. Wow. Wow, it's work with the mic as well. So this hand free and this adapter is quite good. I don't know you. I can hear the. I don't know you guys can hear or not. Yeah, it's work with the mic. Very nice. And one more thing I want to tell you about this adapter, which is this is like aluminum and very nice, lightweight, very lightweight, very small. You can see in fact, and it's very not so easy to remove the tight. But one thing is like, which is you can't use this adapter with your case. Look at this. If I plug this adapter with the case, I show you properly, maybe you can understand. Here you can see the LED light here. Okay, and it's not charging anymore because it doesn't fit. It's not charging, it doesn't fit, and it's easy to move. So you guys should think about it. If you need to purchase this adapter, you need to remove the case for this, but it's very nice, useful adapter. Please subscribe our channel, and we have to do more videos in the future. Thanks a lot. Bye.